Hi again guys, Bioinformatics guy here with another video of the series Python for Bioinformatics. In this video, we will be talking about importing Python files, .py files. Just like in the previous video that we imported a few files and modules from other libraries that were already created in Python, we can import our own functions from our own files. So let's get started. First of all, we will have to create a Python file, and let's create a Python file let's open idle. This time I am working in idle because most of you guys will also be working in idle, so I just want you to see the same experience. So this is our file, and let's copy some functions from our previous file. So we will have to import random, then we can copy this function random base, then we can copy another function random codon. Okay, after that let's copy this function. Yes, that's pretty much it. Okay, now let's save this file on desktop. Here is our desktop, and I'm gonna name this file as functions functions.py. Okay, it's saved. So I have created this file in which we have these three functions: random base. Oh, let me correct the spellings of random here. Random base, random codon, and replace base randomly using names. Okay, I will just save this file. Now I will create a new Python file over here, and we can import the functions. So let's try simply importing random base from functions import random base. Okay, let's try running this. The one more thing that you need to understand is that you will have to save this file in the very same folder in which you have the functions file, or from which you are trying to import any functions. So let me name it as testing, and this function is imported nicely. Let's try running this function random base, and we will have to print it to see the results. Okay, this is the cell. So you can see that a base is imported, right? And let's try importing some other thing, random codon from functions import random codon, and let's try printing codon. Random base is not defined. Now it's giving me an error. Random base is not defined. Oh, random. So I changed the spellings over here, and the spellings are also supposed to be changed here. It is supposed to be random rather than ramdom. Random base, then we have a random base over here. Let's try running this, and let's try running this and see in the shell. So random base is also printed. And if you want to try printing the third function, which is this, let's try importing this, and let's try if this function gets imported or not. From functions import this huge function with huge name, and let's print this, and let's give it. Okay, let's see if some codon is changed or not. Unexpected, oh, missing parentheses, and let's remove this one again. Let's go to the shell. So it has imported first a random base, then it imported a random codon, then it made this change in this G thing, change this T to G. Let's try running this again, and now C is changed. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, comments or concerns about this video, feel free to comment down below. If you want to join our bioinformatics community, don't forget to join the Facebook group Bioinformatics Guys. You can find the description down below. If you want to know what I do other than programming, don't forget to check out my vlogging channel right here. Other than that, thank you very much for watching and I will see you around in the next video.